way. Donnie, any motor vehicle, okay? Any vehicle. It doesn't even have, it can be a bicycle, it can be a unicycle, it can be a lawnmower, it can be a car, it can be a bus.
Even down the road, I mean, like...
This is public property. This is the public way. It's public or private. Even if you're in your own backyard and you're driving a four-wheeler and you're drunk, you can get a DUI.
Wow.
Okay? I'm going to give you some tests, all right?
I'm sorry.
Let's do some tests, Donnie. I'm going to step down here. What I want you to do is follow the tip of my finger with your eyes only, okay? You're going to keep your head still and you're going to follow my finger with your eyes, okay?
Okay.
Don't move your 1,005, and so on, until you reach about 1,030. But any time during the test you place your foot down, just go ahead and lift it back up, continue counting from where you left off, all right? It's going to look like this, Donnie.
1,001.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004. Can't do that sober?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm going to ask you to try to do it, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and try.
1,001. No, what forward?
No.
Oh.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003.
Keep going.
Oh, I don't have to walk.
No.
Oh.
From 3, go ahead.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008.
Keep going.
Oh.
To about 30.
30?
Yeah.
Wow.
Starting at 8. You understand my instructions?
1. Yes.
Okay, go ahead and start. Go ahead and start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! I'm really nervous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, Donnie. You got to put you under arrest, bud. DUI. Don't put your hands behind your back.
Good. You can't pick that up, huh?
Well, you said you don't have anybody to come get it, right?
Yeah, I can call somebody.
Who's gonna be able to come get that? How are they gonna get it?